Hi. It's time to learn about emotions. Happy, sad, angry, scared, excited, bored, surprised, shy, proud, nervous. Again. Happy, sad, angry, scared, excited, bored, surprised, shy, proud, nervous. Again. Bored, angry, excited, shy, surprised, sad, scared, proud, nervous, happy. Practice. Happy, happy, happy. Sad, sad, sad. Angry, angry, angry. Scared, scared, scared. Excited, excited, excited. Bored, bored, bored. Surprised, surprised, surprised. Shy, shy, shy. Proud, proud, proud. Nervous, nervous, nervous. Let's review. What emotion is this? Scared. What emotion is this? Proud. What emotion is this? Happy. What emotion is this? Nervous. What emotion is this? Bored. What emotion is this? Shy. What emotion is this? Sad. What emotion is this? Surprised. What emotion is this? Angry. What emotion is this? Excited. Let's review. How do you feel today? Proud. How do you feel today? Nervous. How do you feel today? Shy. How do you feel today? Surprised. How do you feel today? Scared. How do you feel today? Excited. How do you feel today? Sad. How do you feel today? Angry. How do you feel today? Happy. How do you feel today? Bored. Last review. Bored. Angry. Excited. Shy. Surprised. Sad. Scared. Proud. Nervous. Happy. Good job.
Bye!